The blown back mirror really sucks, and you know, I mean, it's an appearance thing, it's a safety thing, and it's really not that hard to fix. So all you need to do is just grab the frame, and which is here, like this, and make sure that you get that sensor, that little small sensor that's facing the driver. And these wires are they strike me as fragile, so be careful. Okay, so very carefully get this back into the frame like that, and I'm just gently pushing it into place. I'm going to make sure this little sensor is pressed forward, and so it's sitting in that little alcove as it should just fine. Okay, so now with that set, all you need to do is grab the base, plug the cable back into the circuit board, and in the correct orientation, snap the face back on. And at that point, I mean, the hardest part is done. Then all you have to do is put this back in the car. So let me put it back in the correct orientation with the button here at the bottom. So again, go back up to your windshield, put this on at about a 45-degree angle, and you can tell if the teeth on this aren't right, and then just turn it back down to that base normal 6 o'clock position. Plug in the cable, put the covers back on, and you're done. Congrats, you just fixed your mirror. This really is not hard at all. And then it just takes a little bit of simple soldering and a soldering iron, a cheap one, because I use a soldering iron about once every 3 years. So, I mean, I got the $10 soldering iron. You don't need anything expensive. And it's really that simple. If you need any advice on how to solder, there's some great videos out on YouTube, but it really is as simple as very carefully heating up the thing that, you know, like the metal component or where you want it stuck to, and then putting the solder to the heated part, right? I don't claim to be an expert in soldering, but something simple like that, just a wire to a little metal piece, is not all that hard. I hope this gave you the confidence to do this project yourself. The blown back mirror really sucks, and you know, I mean, it's an appearance thing, it's a safety thing, and it's really not that hard to fix. Everything you need will be listed in the description below, so make sure to check that out.